Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with tons of tools. Basting brushes that have been having all the bristles removed and one row is left and then still one more in between each one gone. Small Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, small version. A knitting needle. My straw. Tools I made that you can look up the video for creating them by putting tools in the search box. And swipe cards, which I may have another couple smaller pieces around here. I even have a piece of a chocolate mold that's a star-shaped, because all bets are off. And I am going to put some paint on my canvas. In whatever weird way I'm feeling. And I'm just going to start. I don't have any idea at all so far what I'm going to do, but I know if I fill in the background, I will probably be able to work with what I start with. So that's what I'm going to do right now. That was an Anita's White Metallic. That was a Folk Art Neon Purple with golden iridescent pearl fine in it. This is an Electric Blue from Arteza. That is a Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. That is a cobalt blue. No, it's not. That is a cobalt blue Artist Loft. We don't know why they say that. I'm going to take some of my Amsterdam Black with pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax in it. Added the recipes under the video. And I'm going to dip my swipe card of choice in there. Because I can. And then, ooh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, so I think I like that so much that I'm going to do some more of it. I could probably just wind up using the same colors. Let's grab some gold again. Just random seeming shapes. Probably not as random to me, or probably not as random to you, seeming to you. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about. All right, I'm going to take my residual paint and do what with it? I am going to utilize it because I can. The name of my book, my first book next to my second book on the Amazon link that's underneath the link tree, that's included on the link tree, the first blue link under the video. So here goes nothing again. And yeah. And I'm just going to keep going. I want to use some of the Hot Orchid from Color Art. And I really like that purple. It's very similar to the color shifting purple. Occurs to me I'll show you the color shifting purple. Hard to tell the difference, but one will color shift and one will not. I have some dioxazine purple. I want a little white color in there, so I think I'm going to use some of this Anita's White Metallic that has a tiny tad pink in it. I've got some Artist Loft Amethyst, and I'm really craving some of this turquoise that I'm not sure what it is, but I am going to put it right in there. It seems to me I should have some gold in there just because. It's looking a lot like a geometric, and it might turn out to be one too. Alright, so I've got paint on my card, and I don't mind where I put it. I want to go that way. I could do that. Let's do that once. Let's put some gold at the beginning. Alright, better idea. Let's do that once with the smaller card, just to see how it goes. And it goes part way. So let's use a smaller cardigan over here. And the residuals over there. I better be quick, because if my base layer swipes dry, then I can't tip for sure. I want some Anita's white metallic. Some real Anita's. And I think that's a little bland for me, so I'm going to go ahead and include, no, not that color, some of the Venetian blue. That's a Modern Masters. Yep, Modern Masters. And I have a scrape dish, and I'm going to use it. And put some Amsterdam white on my swipe card. I want some black in there. Just to see how far that paint will go. I can't help it. I really like the hot orchid. And it occurs to me my my orange is too far away. Well, this is kind of okay. Over here. Let's take my residual paint and use it right there. Grab a little more. I need gold. The gold is such a good catalyst, I can't help it. And it is Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I bet it's not. I bet it's not. I bet I'm not the only one who finds it a favorite gold color. What about this? I don't know. I don't know yet. I just want to do something weird. Maybe a smaller swipe card. Go all the way to the edge so we're covered. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I have some of the Amsterdam white cell activator, which is a different recipe than the black. What else do I want to put in there? Somebody's going, you know you're going to put the orange in there. No, you're right. And a little more hot orchid. Boy, I could leave that alone and that would be kind of cool. Okay, so now I'm going to put some Anita's white metallic. Right here. Some turquoise color shifting folk art. Got some nice cells going on over here. Really cool. What else? I think I moved my... Yes, I put it right here. The Venetian blue again. I do like those patterns. I know it seems like an odd combination. I'm really interested in finding out what happens if I use a much larger card, but I think I'm going to use the smaller one anyway. I might use it in the middle. Where's my gold? Where's my gold? Shaken up. This is a iridescent gold from Golden. It's a much lighter version. Can't help it. Gotta follow my muse's whisperings. I'm going for it all the way across. And I can always come back over here. I do like using the edge of the card to add some texture. I have a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I'm not sure I know how to use it. Part of me wants to crosshatch that. I think if I just pounce my spatula, I'll find what I want. I still don't promise not to tip or to pour a shovel full of something on here either. I am going kind of random, which is okay. It's part of my plan to like try and loosen up a little bit. And I'm hoping you remember the colors. If you need colors, just ask me. I'll try and help you with that. I'm not using enough of this electric blue. Originally my idea was to use the electric blue and the hot orchid. Just them. That idea sort of went away. I have my other card is right here. I haven't used my scrape dish yet, have I? Oh, maybe I have. That should probably be white. Alright, I'm going to start down here. And I'm going to throw some Meeden white in there right now just because I want to find out what it's going to do. And I have an Arteza beautiful magenta type pearl. And I have no idea what the color is because it's been mixed up. Arteza, it doesn't give me... This cling wrap on the bottles is nice, but it's better if you actually write the whole name. So I didn't get as much reaction from that as I thought I might. I have some color to use up. Not sure I should leave the top off that. That was a lot. I used a lot more than I was anticipating, to be honest with you. But I do like that combination over there, so I guess we'll see. And it gave me enough extra so I could go ahead and use it somewhere else. I may still swipe this. And that was just my residuals. So it's looking a lot like a geometric. But I guess it's been a little while since I did one. I'm just going where I want. I really am going to want to pour a shovel of something and tip it, but maybe I can restrain myself. Where else? I think I want a little bit of the cobalt blue that's a turquoise. Right there. I'm really craving some white, and I don't think I can live with this one separate thing. Kind of want some copper. Fill in my little gap. Just gonna steal some paint and fill in that little gap. But I am liking that color choice of that turquoise with the blue. I guess I'm almost done. I'm closing. Ooh, I thought that was blue. It's okay. It'll still work. Didn't put any light blue in there. And I was thinking about it. I definitely want some purple. I keep having to choose whether to add the, let's get that Meeden out of here because I really want the cell activated stuff. You have to remember to use the right cell activator. So that is a really long strip here. I want it to be a lot more free, and I'm not hating what I've got at all, but I'm wondering if there's something else I should be doing that might make me happier. If I have a little tool, I think the one I'm looking for might be in the, yep, I found it. But what am I going to do with it? Well, yeah, I definitely want some white. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you. And I'm going to use my little tool a few places, I think. To add a few more lines. So I have 93,000 subscribers on my channel, and sometimes a few hundred of you watch at a time, and I really appreciate you guys being here, so thank you very much. If you're looking for more videos, I can help you. I have over 2,000. Oh, I just eradicated some really nice cells. Oh well. Use my residuals right there. Actually, I like that. So if you're looking for a video, look on all playlists, created playlists, and you'll find a bunch. Organized by topic and genre. I just like a little more, a few more touches of white here and there. Oh, I'm stamping. And as much as I love that pink, I like the stamping too. So I have the link tree I was telling you about, and it has legalist clothing on it, which are dresses and kimono tops and all kinds of cool stuff made in Montreal. I'm not going down there. That's too pretty down there on the end. That's my basting brush. That's kind of weird. I'm not sure I like that. So do more. Alright, I have 1 minute left to remind you guys I have a monthly drawing, and it supports the production of videos at the studio. So if you're somebody who can afford to contribute through PayPal or Patreon, you can find those icons on the YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner. And you can see the prizes for any given month at the beginning of the exhibition video. I like this. It's pretty cool. Sometimes it takes me a minute. You should always give yourself at least overnight if you have something even halfway interesting. And this is more than halfway interesting. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. If you're looking for my Facebook groups, they're on the link tree. If you're looking for more students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is the Facebook group for you. If you're looking to go shopping, Pixels.com and Fine Art America, and the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will take you there. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.